Inserting a picture is great when you've got a picture, but what if you want to insert a picture and you don't have a picture? Then you need to use the ClipArt. For example, what I might do is I might insert a picture just over here. So I'll go to the Home tab in my ribbon, and in the Objects group I want to insert ClipArt, but ClipArt's not available in the Objects group. So I have to go to the Insert tab in my ribbon, where you see a repeat of the picture button, but now you've also got a ClipArt button. If I click ClipArt, then that brings up the ClipArt task pane on the right hand side of my screen, and here are all sorts of pictures that I can insert into my document. If I'm looking for a specific type of picture, then I'll type a keyword in the search for box. Perhaps I'm looking for a picture of a book. And I don't want all media types, perhaps I just want to see photos, so I'll just tick photographs and click go. Eventually, any photographs that I have of books will appear, and you'll get a lot of pictures if you're connected to the internet at the time. If I then go and choose a book, and I'll just scroll down to have a look at what I've got in terms of options, I might choose this book here. So if I click this particular option, it will insert it into my document, and here it is here. Now once you insert a piece of ClipArt, treat it the same way as inserting a picture, because when I go up to the ribbon I can see that my Picture Tools Format tab has suddenly appeared when this picture is selected. When I click away from the picture it disappears, but when I click on the picture then it reappears. So you've got to be sitting on the picture to be able to see this tab. Now what I can do is I can resize the picture in the same way as I do with any other picture, so it's not so large. And I can move the picture just by dragging it. I might decide to crop some of the picture off, so on my Picture Tools Format tab I'll click the crop button, and I'll just crop off some of this blank left hand side, maybe some of the top as well, and then I'll click the crop button again. If I want to clear what I cropped, I can hit the clear crop button and undo what I've done. But if I hit the undo button on my quick access toolbar, I'll return to having it cropped. Now when you move the picture around, the text tends to run around the picture. You must control the wrap text option. When I put a picture on top of text, I have on my Picture Tools Format tab a wrap text button, and this changes the way that text wraps around an object. Let's first of all make this object round. I'm just going to apply a picture style. Alright. And move it a little bit onto the text. When I change the wrap text from square to perhaps tight, the text will tightly go around the picture, and because it's round it tends to go quite tightly around the sides of it. If I chose the wrap text option square, then the text will go squarely around the picture. If I choose top and bottom, then the text will go through the top and the bottom of the picture, or through the picture, in line with the picture, so there are various text wrapping options. And none means that the picture will sit on top of the text, so you can't read the text. So I'll go back to wrap text and I might choose square or tight. And as I move my picture, the text is tightly wrapping around the picture. So if you need a picture and you have a picture, insert picture just by going home into picture. But if you don't have a picture, look at your ClipArt by going insert and ClipArt. And I can turn off this task pane by just hitting this little close button.